Hey guys, welcome to Learn and Enjoy Kitchen. I'm Azadeh and today we're gonna learn how to cook delicious dolma. But before we start, subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get informed of our latest videos as soon as they are uploaded. The ingredients: 2 large round eggplants, 1 tomato, 3 bell peppers, 1 onion, minced meat 75 grams, rice 50 grams, split peas 45 grams, vegetables containing tarragon, origany, dill, coriander, mint and green onions, tomato paste 3 tablespoons, salt, black pepper, turmeric as you need, verjuice half a cup, and sugar 1 tablespoon. First of all, add a split peas to cold water and put them on the stove to cook. Next, peel an onion and chop it finely. Then we should chop the vegetables. First we chop green onions. Then chop other vegetables finely as well: coriander, tarragon, dill, origany and green onions. Now put a pan on the stove, add some oil to it, add chopped onions and sauté till its color changes a little. Add minced meat to onions and stir till mix well and its color changes. Now you can add spices: turmeric, salt and black pepper. Stir till mix well. Then add the rice that we have soaked in water beforehand. Add 1 glass of water to it and let it cook on low heat. Meanwhile, let's prepare other vegetables. First, cut the top part of eggplants and empty them with knife and fork. Keep the flesh from inside the eggplants to use them later. Do the same thing for other vegetables. Cut the top parts and put them aside and empty the inside. Don't waste anything. Keep the tomato flesh to make the sauce. Now put a pan on the stove, add some oil to it, and fry the eggplant flesh in it. The split peas are cooked and rice is half cooked. Add a split piece to the mixture of rice and meat and stir till mix. Now add fried eggplants to this mixture and mix well. Then, add chopped vegetables to other ingredients and mix well. You can add some verjuice to your taste. It's ready now. Let it cool. Meantime, let's prepare the sauce. Add some fried onion to a pot and add salt and black pepper and mix. Then add tomato flesh you've cut out of the tomatoes and tomato paste. Mix and saute. Add about 1 tablespoon dried mint to this mixture. Then add some water and let the sauce boil for a while. Now it's time to stuff the dolma. Stuff the eggplants, bell peppers, and tomatoes with the mixture that we prepared. You can add the seasoning to the sauce according to your taste. I add verjuice and a little sugar to give it a sour-sweet taste. Put dolma in the pot that you want to cook in. Add the sauce, put the lid, and it's ready to serve. Dear friends, this was today's tasty dolma. I hope you cook it and enjoy it with your family. Don't forget to follow us on other social networks and recommend our channel to your friends. Let me go and serve this delicious dolma. Till another recipe, goodbye.